question given here is a spaceship is stationed on Mars. Okay, there is a spaceship which is stationed on Mars. How much energy must be expended on the spaceship to launch it on its solar system? That is, you can consider the mass of the spaceship as 1000 kilograms. Mass of the Sun is 2 into 10 power 30 kg. Mass of the Mars is 6.4 into 10 power 23 kg. Radius of Mars is 3395 kilometers. Radius of the orbit of the Mars is 2.28 into 10 power 8 kilometers, and you can take the gravitational constant 6.67 into 10 power 11 Newton meters per kg square. So firstly, the potential energy of the spaceship due to the Sun is given by the formula minus Gm, capital M, and ms by r, where small ms is nothing but mass of the Sun. And the potential energy of the spaceship due to Mars is given as this thing, minus Gm m by r. So this mm is nothing but mass of Mars. It is given that the spaceship is stationary and also the kinetic energy is 0. So the total energy of the spaceship will be minus Gm ms by r plus minus Gm mm by r. Thus, the energy which is needed to launch the spaceship is the same. That is Gm ms by r plus Gm m by r. So you can take G and ms constant and you can substitute the values. That is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 into 10 power 3. In the bracket, you have 2 into 10 power 30, that is mass of Sun, by 2.28 into 10 power 11, the orbital radius. And this is 6.4 into 10 power 23 is mass of Mars by 3.395 into 10 power 6. So when you calculate this value, you will be getting around 596.97 into 10 power 9. Okay, so this 596 I will be writing as 6, and this the points I'm making it to be on the powers of 10, so I'll get 10 power 11 joules. So therefore, the value is 6 into 10 power 11 joules.